Keep talking, we shut you down. Hey, welcome back to another unboxing with Ginnie. Today we're going to be opening Born Pink by Blackpink. And I got all 3 versions of their regular album and each of their Digipacks. Digipacks? Yes. I was originally only going to get Ginnie because I bought the signed version, but then I saw the covers and I ended up getting the other 3 from Cape Town. These girls have my soul. But anyways, so today I mainly have a simple decor and I have a mini trash bag so that I can put my plastic in there if I have to. But yeah, let's start. We're gonna be starting with, I guess we'll start with the white one since it's on top. I'll open the Digipacks afterwards. I'm excited. Honestly, this entire album was really good. Although there's a couple songs that I didn't add on my playlist. Mini disclaimer, this is my opinion. So let's talk about the songs first before we get into the actual album. So I kind of liked Pink Venom when it first came out. I wasn't a huge fan, but as you keep listening to it, I kind of got super into the song. So now it's like on my list. I like Pink Venom. I really like Shut Down, especially the music video and everything, and it was so good. I'm not a huge fan of Type of Girl because it makes me feel like it gives me that middle school angsty, I'm not like other girl vibes, and I feel like I'm a little too old for that. I liked Yeah. Hard to Love, I think might be my favorite song in the album. The Happiest Girl, I'm not super into, mainly because it just makes me really sad. And then Tally's okay for me. And then Ready for Love is really good. So all in all, this was a really good album. So I was really excited to get an actual physical album. I'm kind of sad because I ordered this after the comeback, so I didn't get the K-Town pre-order benefits, but it's okay. I got the albums and that's all that matters. So let's start with this one. It's so loud. Oof. I'm mainly a Ginnie stan, but I think this comeback, all 4, has been so amazing. I couldn't pick a bias for this comeback at all. So I'll be so happy no matter who I pull because they all look so good. Oh, I think Jisoo really shined in this comeback though. Jisoo and Lisa for me because I really like Lisa's hair. All right. So let's open this one. I don't know what versions they are. I don't even know what they have. But I know like the minimum. I know that each album has 1 out of 2 photo cards per member. Per version, I think. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so the white one. Oh. So this is the CD. I think each of them will have their own colors. I really like their packaging. It's nice. I think I remember the album packaging from last comeback, and I liked the box. I just didn't like how square it was because it was really hard to kind of put it on my bookshelf in my room, which is unfortunate. But I liked it nevertheless. Okay, so let's go over the album first. Whoa. Ooh. So it's member order. It's like I don't know what concept this would be. They look good. She looks so good. Wow. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Okay. Slay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'll show you a picture of each of. Okay, let's start with Jisoo's outfit first. So this is her outfit. It's like a skirt with like a corset and one of those top part thingy. I don't remember what it's called. Oh, she looks so good. And then this woman, how could you? Oh, the hair, the outfit, the hoodie, the shoes. Oh my gosh, she looks so good. Ooh, yo. Rose with blonde hair is always, whoa. Ugh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, those boots are so cool. Oh, her nails are scary. Oh my goodness gracious. Lisa. This makeup though, look at that eyeliner. Wow. Wow. I really like her hair here. I really like her hair here, but this is her outfit. It's like a romper-ish. I was going to pick who has the best outfit, like my favorite outfit, but that was really hard. That was so difficult. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do my best. I think my favorite outfit might be Ginny's. Like, just because like the belt and the hoodie kind of brings it all together. I really like it. But best shoes goes to Rose. And nails. Best nails and best shoes goes to Rose. And oh my god, the other day looked so amazing too. Oh my gosh, I like her shoes too. Oh, this is so hard to choose. You know what? I think I'll go through all 3 albums and then choose my favorite outfit for each member instead, because I can't do that. Oh, they look amazing. Wow. Okay, let's go through the inclusions really quick before I like pass out. Whoa. So what is this? It's like a accordion for the lyrics. That's cute. Pink venom. Oh, and then that's so cute. Most of the lyrics are in English, which is really nice. I can understand it a lot better. And then this must be the inclusion. All right, which queen will I get? Okay, what's this? Lisa. Wow. Wow. And then, so this is like a mini poster and the postcard. Wow. Oh, I like the collar. What's this? Ooh, sticker. I like stickers. And then, what's this? Oh, it's a Polaroid. And it's Rosie. Ah. And then, Sammy, I pulled one of each member in this album. This is amazing. And then, ooh, oh, this is so cute. Oh, her phone case is really cute. Dang, she has an iPhone. I don't know which iPhone it is, but it's one of the pros. Whoa. They look amazing. Okay, I have to move on. Okay, we gotta move on. We have 7 more albums to open up. It's getting hot in here. Okay, I'll leave the inclusions out so we can kind of have a look at all of them at the end. Okay, so the next one, I kind of want to open the black one first, just because pink is my favorite color, and I'm going to leave that one for last. Wow. I dressed up a little bit much for this unboxing just because I really liked Blackpink. I hope this is okay. Okay. Ooh, okay, so this one is black to match the aesthetic of the cover. And then let's go over the album. I wonder which outfits these are. Ooh, whoa, I don't think I saw this in the music video. Holy moly. Ma'am, why are you so hot? Whoa. Yo, her hair. Her hair. I need a better back. Okay. Okay, this is her outfit, by the way, before I... Whew. Okay. Focus, my glasses are getting crooked. Oh my goodness gracious, she looks amazing! The hair is so intricate. It looks like it's like cat ear hair, but it's so dark I can't tell. She looks so good. Of course she's wearing her Chanel Chanel designer stuff. Wow, her eyeshadow, her eyeliner is so good. So this is Jenny's outfit. I really like the boots. It's getting really hard for me to articulate in proper grammar. Oh, more Chanel. Because this, oh my god, these concepts are so good. She looks so good. And then all the buckles and stuff, so intricate. What the heck? Do I need to say anything? Like, anything? Oh my gosh. This outfit is so good. This outfit looks so good on her. And then her makeup. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And then her stockings are sparkly. Or are those her shoes? Either way, I like it. I love it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious. And then what is this? This is so good. She looks so good. Oh my gosh. Whoever the makeup artist and the hairstylist and the clothing coordinator, I thank you. Thank you so much for making our girls look so good. Wow. Wow. She has a little like rose here, just a little bit. I think it's the blonde hair and the angle. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, and then this is probably the same thing, the accordion lyric stuff. Let's look at the inclusions. Okay. Let's close this up just so we can get it out of the way. So this is a sticker, which is black. Oh, let's put that in there. Okay. And then for our mini poster, we got Ginnie. Ooh. And then for our postcard, we got Rose. I hope I pulled Lisa and Jisoo in these three. Rose, she looks so good. Oh my gosh. Although I'm not a huge fan of Blackpink Polaroid like photo card-ish, I know this is what they're trying to do and make it like a little grainy, but I like my cards in HD, please. 4K. Aww. Jisoo, so cute. And then, she's so cute. Look at this. Oh, she looks so baby here. I'm kind of sad I didn't pull Elisa, but that's okay. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, onward to the next one. Our very last normal edition album. The pink. I have a feeling this might be my favorite outfit. It's the first teaser that we got when they were in a lot of pink and stuff. Those are my absolute favorite outfits. So I'm praying that it's this one. But if it's not, it's okay. I won't be complaining. Wow! This pink is so pretty. Okay. Okay. And then here's the CD. Okay. Whew. Whoa. It's not the pink that I was hoping for, but I like this. It's still pink. This dress is so cute on her. Oh, and they gave her freckles. I want that tennis racket. I don't play tennis, but you know, the aesthetic is nice. Oh, she's so cute. Pink really looks good on her. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. I'll talk about it in a second. Oh my goodness. Look. Okay, so this is her outfit. And look at that butterfly makeup. Holy moly. I need to learn how to do this. I don't even know how to do makeup, but I will learn for that. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Prim and proper, Miss Ginnie Kim. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Yo, this hair is really nice. But I wonder how much hairspray was needed so that it stays in place. Maybe hair gel. Woo! So this outfit, Rose, has the buckles. Let me see if I can show you. Look. So buckles here and buckles for Ginnie in the last concept. Whoa! Her shoes are so pretty. Oh my gosh. She looks like a Barbie doll. Oh my gosh. What the hey? What the stick? That's... Her gaze is so intense. I just... Whoa. Whoa. Oh. She's so... Whoa. I don't know if this outfit is my style though. She looks really good in it. It just kind of throws me off a little bit, but maybe I'll get used to it. Aww, she's so cute. Oh, whoa, that was amazing. I do think the black one is my favorite version for outfits. But the pink comes a close second because it's pink. All right, let's look at this. I didn't even notice the other ones were also colored. Was I just not paying attention? Oops. For those. Okay. I hope I can pull one of each member for the pink version too. Okay. Burn the sticker. Put this away. All right. Oh, Jisoo. So cute. Okay, and then Miss Rose. And then, oh, I got Ginnie. And this one is Rose. And then please let this be Lisa. If not, it's still okay. They all look so good. Whoa. She looks amazing. Wow. Okay. Wow, this is so good. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh, I did promise that before we end, I'll pick my favorite outfit for each member. So let's pull out all of the photo books really quick so that I can compare it. I might even just pull out the photo cards and stuff to help me decide too. Or like the inclusion stuff. Man, I should have left this out while I was putting things away. I'm such a dummy. But it's okay. This is how we roll. So white, black, and pink. Alright, so let's go through the outfits really quick. So this one is Jisoo's outfit for the first version, the second version, and the third. Ooh, I can't decide between the black and the pink one, but I'll say I think pink one. Pink one is my favorite for Jisoo for this comeback. Yeah, I'll go with that one for now. And then Ginnie for white concept. And this is the black concept, which is the buckles. And then, man, I wish I had a third arm. And then the pink concept. Oh, definitely for me, the white concept one. No, the black concept one. What? White, yeah, this one. This is definitely my absolute favorite. Like that orange hair and like the body tight outfit with the gloves and like the cutout. Oh my gosh, winner. And then Rosie. Oh, Rosie's just gonna be so hard to choose. Man. Oh wait, I forgot about the butterfly makeup for Ginnie. Oh. Rosie. I'm having a hard time picking Rosie. Help. Okay. Pink. I'll go pink. Because she looks like a Barbie doll. She looks really, really good. So Lisa, pink. I remember that. Lisa here, and then Lisa here. Oh, Lisa's hard too. I really like the headdress on this, but I also really like the hair here. I'll go with this one. I'll definitely go with this one. This is my favorite Lisa outfit. Oh my gosh, that was so hard. But we did it. We got through all three of the normal albums. It was one of the hardest things to do. But we did it. Let's look at our polls all together. Alright, so we got Jisoo, big poster, mini postcard, photo card, Polaroid, and I think that's it for Jisoo. And then Ginnie, we also got a postcard, Polaroid, photo card, and Polaroid. And then Rose. I pulled so much Rose. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Well, I do wish I pulled more Lisa. So that is just makes it a little even. I may be tempted to go buy another album just to see if I can pull Lisa and even it out. But all in all, this is pretty good. I'm keeping all these. They're so nice. Okay. So now that we've kind of opened up the regular albums, let's start on the Digipacks then. Let's go. Okay. All right, let's start on our Digipacks. So the minimum that I know from the Digipacks is that there is 1 out of 2 photo cards per member for their own version. So I'll pull a Ginnie for the Ginnie version, a Lisa for the Lisa version, Rose for Rose and Jisoo for Jisoo. I bought the Ginnie one from, as I said, the Blackpink shop. So there's a signed card in there somewhere. So we'll see what that looks like. And then afterwards, once everything came out, I saw what these three looks like. And then the rest is history. Blackpink also owns my wallet. Anyways, let's go age order. My glasses keeps getting crooked because why? There we go. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, my glasses were crooked in the first half of the video. Okay, let's open up our eldest, our actress, Miss Jisoo. Oh, this feels interesting. Oh, they have their own member CDs. That's pretty cool. I don't think Blackpink's ever done like a member version CD. And I like that it's not random, so that people aren't scrambling to like collect them all. Let's see what outfits these have. I think this is the same thing as the white version. Yeah, pretty much. This is just more of the white version. Ooh, we got a whole like concept photo too. Oh, these are nice. Let's look at our inclusions. Ooh, I got spoiled already. I was trying not to spoil myself. Okay, so we got another accordion. And then what's this? Oh, it's a mini poster. Ooh. Oh, it's a long poster. She looks so good. Okay. I think that's it, right? Just the photo card, there's nothing else. Okay. Slay. And then she's so cute. Let's open Miss Ginnie, our Chanel main wrapper princess. Why does it say parental advisory with explicit content? What? Who decided this? Okay. Ooh. This is Ginnie's. Wow, this is my favorite outfit for Ginnie, so whoa. Ma'am, why do you do this to me? Oh my gosh, she looks so good. That hair color really like looks amazing on her. I don't think we've ever had like we don't, no, like we have, but we don't really have much of like different hair color Ginnies, so it's always a pleasant surprise whenever we do. I love it. Okay, let's look at the inclusions as well as the signed signature. Is that it? Okay, there we go. Whoa. Where's the accordion? Oh, there's no accordion. Let's look at the poster. I'm putting this on my wall. Definitely, 100%. Oh my gosh. You are out to kill me, ma'am. And then let's look at the signed card. Ooh, cute. This is very similar to the album CD, which I have. I'm excited. I'm happy. And then let's get a photo card. Woo! I'm glad I got a photo card of this outfit. So good. Now let's look at Rose. Well, I wasn't going to reuse this anyways. Okay. Let's go through these. This is her member CD. looks great. Her blonde hair is amazing. It looks like swords. I really like the under mesh that she's wearing, especially the boots. The shoes are top notch. She's such a queen. Wow, her nails are scary. Her nails are so scary looking. They're so pointy. All right, so this one has the accordion. So I guess the K-Town ones do, like a pre-order kind of thing. And then let's look at the poster. Ooh, I like it. I like that they have variety in like the orientation of the poster. Maybe I can do like a puzzle-ish and put it on my wall. I think that'll be fun. And then for the, aww, she's so cute. She gives a kiss. And then last but not least, the bebe. I really like that headset on her. Ooh, this might be my favorite CD. Ooh, those giant bows on her gloves are really nice. I like them. Wow, what a model. The boots look so chunky. At least it's like really good for stability. Oh, I love the headdress. Wow. She's so cute. She looks so good. Okay, let's go through the poster. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh, and it's really my favorite poster. Wow, that eyeliner is godly. How did they do that? And then, aww. Why is the photo card quality kind of like janky? It feels like there was something pressed on it and they pulled it off. It's okay, she's cute. Let's do like a mini what we pulled at the end. So these are posters. I'm gonna put the posters on the side just because there's not enough room. They're so cute. I really like it. This is so much fun. Like, all unboxing is fun, but I think this one just literally got me out of breath and I lost how to speak some of the time just because everyone looked amazing. Like, we waited 2 years for this. We waited so long for this and we got hit with this, and I'm just very happy. I'm very satisfied. I mean, not satisfied enough that I'm willing to wait another 2 years. Like, come on, YG. I want more. Like, I want more. So these are all 4 of the covers. Like, wouldn't you buy all of them too if you saw them? Like, how can you not? I'm just trying to justify my lack of savings. It's okay. This is well worth it. All right. Well, I guess that's it for the unboxing today. Thank you for deciding to join me, and I hope you had fun as much as I did. I know a lot of what I was saying was like unrecognizable mumbling or like words that was not in the English dictionary, but that's just, I still have no words. I'm entirely flabbergasted. Wow, this was amazing. But yeah, please go watch the music videos. There's 2 of them. There's Pink Venom and Shutdown. And go listen, well, technically 3 if you count Ready for Love with PUBG, but I don't, because the CGI is a little wonky and the animation is not as smooth as it could be. Not to mention they kind of like whitewashed the girls, so I wasn't a huge fan of the video, but the song is a banger. But yeah, go listen to the entire album. Let me know which one you like the most, and I don't know why you like it. What's your favorite outfit for all these members? And yeah, go enjoy Blackpink. And I will see you next time. Thank you for joining Ginny with another unboxing, and I will see you soon. Mwah!